everyone and welcome. So I'm just coming on to show you some of the purchases that I made for my birthday, where my kids went and took them from me and in their packaging still, and wrapped them up and presented them to me, along with things that they have actually bought me as well for my birthday. So it was still a lovely surprise. So I'll move quickly on because I have got a lot and I don't want to take up too much of your time. So the first thing I've got here is from Lesleys Crafts, Lesleys Crafts and Gifts. Oh, I should have just pulled the thing out. Yeah, Lesleys Crafts and Gifts. She's got her website now, so that is lesleyscraftsandgifts.com, where she's selling all of her lovely things. And one of those lovely things is this die. It is a camera die, and I do believe it's a shaker as well. So it's like the new school Polaroid camera, and I can't wait to get this up. I think you can sort of see the shape of it, the outline there. So she's selling lots of lovely dies, a lot of KS craft dies in her shop. I'm sorry for glaring you out there. So that was something that I wanted and I got for my birthday. The next thing I've got is some of these stamps. So I saw these on Amazon. They're from a company called Globeland. I know some people what's the word, are affiliated with this company, so I know they must be pretty good. And obviously I love my Julie Nutting doll stamps, and these are like tiny versions. They're not Julie Nutting, but I just love, like, you know, fashion girls, and I thought these would be perfect for, you know, ATC size and stuff like that. So that's some of the stamps I got there. And then I made a purchase with a sprinkle of imagination. It's a lovely company. I'll leave a link in the description box. And I got a lot of these Jamie Doherty stamps. As you know, I love these stamp collections. And recently Cheryl just did a haul. So the first one I've got here, I believe this is Sophie. She's a smaller size one. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly go through them so you can see them. Again, a smaller size one here. Trying also not to glare you too much and just hold it this way a little bit. This one is Paige. Love it. She's got a little teacup in her hair. Then this one is Stuck. Can't remember this one, but I love this one. She's got the artsy stuff in her hair and the bobbin and the paintbrushes. Oh, that's gonna bug me. And then I have this one. This is Hope. Again, I love this one. Small size again. Just beautiful images. Then onto the larger ones. So this is Free Spirit. I love it. It looks like the wind is blowing in her hair with the flowers and the feathers. I just love it. And this one is Gardenia. So this is a really nice one with the hair swooping to the side. I think Kim Kelly sent me some stamps with a smaller image of this. So yeah, that'll be interesting to use like that. Then here is Sven. I don't know, but I love him. He's got the whole caveman vibe going on. With his little, I don't know what that is, mountain lion hat and his moon and his trees. I just think he's just incredible. And I needed another man. I've only got Quentin, so we needed another man in the mix. And then Ginger here. She's really cool. I love her little freckles. And then Lesley, this is Goldie. She's got the sun. She's got total summer vibes. Really cute. So I will link Sprinkle of Imagination in the description box. It's a wonderful company and it's got so many amazing things. Another thing that I've got is some I can't say market. Can't say it. I'm so sorry. It's one of them words that just doesn't come out the way my brain is processing it. Again, Cheryl just showed, she's got the skin tone ones. But I actually went and I got the pastels. So this is the pastel collection, the alcohol markers. And I absolutely love using my alcohol markers. But one thing that mine are lacking, I got the Deco Time from the range and B&M. They're absolutely beautiful markers, but they're really missing the pastel shades. And I've got to a point now where I need some pastel. So a lovely, lovely collection of pens. Now, I do prefer a brush tip. So let me just show you. So you get these two ends. So we've got a fine tip end, which I usually use. But then usually when I do larger things, I like to use a brush. But these are chiseled. Now, you can buy this in a brush end thing, but you're going to pay like £10 extra. So I thought, oh well, I'll go for the chiseled. And then you get the matte. And then I have gone ahead and done the cards. So it comes with colour swatch cards. So I've gone ahead and colour swatched them so you can see the absolutely beautiful shades. I think there's 48 in here, plus the colourless blender. So absolutely gorgeous colours. So I will be stamping and playing with these for sure. Let me just move them to the side. And then I also got something that I've wanted for ages. I saw Angie Beaumont first on her channel there, and these are, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing this right, some gouache paints, is that right? So I've got them in the pink container because I love the pink, and they are like this. I've not yet opened anything. I need to watch some videos really on the best way to be using these paints, but I am excited to use them because I have seen the outcome of them and they look amazing. So hopefully I can be amazing also. Oh, I'm losing my lid. So I've got those. And then finally, for now, because I actually bought things and they're not arrived yet, which is fine because they're coming from all over the place. I did make a little purchase at my favourite store at Cheryl Simone craft store. She has the brand new Doodlebug collection in. So, oh no, I hate it when this happens. Right, this is by any means never like Cheryl or anyone's fault. This is 100% a Doodlebug problem. So every time I buy, doesn't matter who it's from, but Doodlebug needs to sort this out because the sides of the packaging keep ripping open. And it's really annoying. So Doodlebug, stop it. But that's not Cheryl's fault. Okay, so what I got was everything. to say the least. I got this absolutely amazing Doodle Pop. It's a shaker pop. It's the ice cream gelato. It's got some of the enamel ice creams, and then it's got a little shaker in there. It's so fun and cute. Then I have the sprinkles. Now, okay, this was a collection that I was not going to get, okay? I was trying to put my foot down and say no, because I am petrified of sharks, okay? I have the most fear ever of sharks, and it has sharks in this collection, and even though they are cartoony, my heart is still kind of like, the beats have gone up a little bit, okay? So my Theo loves sharks, so it's kind of a horrible situation for me sometimes. But I have got better with the cartoony versions. Because of that, like I say, I can feel my heartbeat has gone up slightly compared to like a catatonic, meltdown when I actually see a real one. But I will be like removing them straight after this video and gifting my lovely Theo some stickers and stuff he can just put in his book or wherever he needs to put them, but I can't have them in this collection. It's ruined it. So anyway, I'll just show you now before I do open everything up, but these are the sprinkles. I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. I love how they've just taken the little elements and just created them. So here is the one that's got those things in it, but apart from those, you know, the gorgeous toucan, there's a pufferfish, a dolphin, a flamingo, just so many things. And then this one is like the tropical plants. What does Cheryl call it? Hibiscus. I learned something new that day. Hibiscus. That's the tropical flower. And then I've got the Chit Chat pieces. There's 93 pieces in there. Love, love, love. It's like Chit Chat, but then there's like the six there's also elements as well, isn't there, like that? It's not all Chit Chat. Then we've got bits and pieces. This is the one that's got thinged. Naughty, naughty. I love it. It's just bits and pieces. So additional, more palm trees and flowers and stuff, along with tabs and tags and note journal pieces, which I think is really cool. 79 pieces in there. And then you get the odds and ends, 116 pieces. Gorgeousness. I literally can single it out. It's not even funny. But I love some of these elements, and it makes me want to craft a lot of 3D makes. Oh, there's a little burger truck there. I made a barbecue one. Tiki bar. I mean, I have already made quite a few of these things, but you know, it's always good to revamp. I also bought the 6x6 paper pad. I've noticed that I've actually got rid of a lot of my 6x6 paper pads recently. I just like bundled them up and gave them to my daughter, who is totally into crafting at the minute. So she has taken a lot of my 6x6 papers. I just really wasn't using them, but then I was like using my Doodlebug collection. I thought, why am I using this massive 12x12 sheet when I only need like a little tiny bit? So I thought, oh, I'm going to start getting the 6x6 Doodlebug pads, and that way I can build up my 6x6s again, and then also have, you know, the means to create small things. So I'll just show you the papers in the 6x6 form, because they're exactly the same in the 12x12. Oh, sand thing. Crabs and seagulls. Beautiful flowers. I love the flamingos. It's a lovely pink. There's the Doodlebug plaid. Beautiful suns and palm trees. Cut aparts. Again, these are smaller. There's the stripes. This one I don't see me using very much. It's on the back of that, so that's okay. The boots. Oh, more cut parts. Well, that's a nice little beach scene. Very, very pretty. And then it repeats. So that's the 6x6. And I love these colours. Oh, then we've got Cheryl's little thank you. Review and tag your goodies again. Oh, I've got a little these shake things. I actually got some of these I bought. I think it's one of my first orders ever. And I've gifted one. I bought two and I've kept one. So now I've got another one for gifting out now. So they're absolutely gorgeous. Little pink cupcake. Cupcake? Is it a cupcake or like a coffee shaker? So cool. And then we've got the icon stickers. Amazing, right? I'm totally going to make these. Totally. And the lighthouse, I love it. And then these are the mini icon stickers. So you get 2-pack. So there's a 2-pack there. So exactly the same as icon stickers, but in tiny form, which is, they are perfect for embellishment. And then the 12x12 papers, and that comes with the this and that sticker sheet on the back. Oh, summer. Hair gets lighter, skin gets darker, water gets warmer, drinks get colder, music gets louder, nights get longer, and life gets better. Okay. This is the life, this is the life. Fun in the sun, down by the seashore. Lots and lots of fun summertime memories, even if your summer is just, I don't know, your back garden with a paddling pool. But still, you know, still fun, right? So there are everything so far that I have purchased for my birthday, and I will come back again when my other things arrive. If there's anything that you're interested in, I will try and link everything, like I said, the websites or whatnot I got before. If there's anything you're interested in seeing, let me know and I will sort that out. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Take care, bye.